Hi everyone, and welcome to that new video about JavaScript. Today we are going to see what does a JavaScript program consist of. In general, a computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, those programming instructions are called statements. A JavaScript program is a list of programming statements. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. For example, we have a statement below that tells the browser to write hello inside an HTML element that has the ID demo. That's something we have seen before, but now we are pointing out that that thing is a statement, and as you see, is ending with a semicolon. Comma separates the JavaScript statement, and of course another element that you see here is a comment. Here we have a way to comment that can be extended from the beginning that to the end of that. And of course, inside of a script, we have a different method to comment with that to symbol. What we see inside of the script is a variable, and we declare three of them, A, B, C variable. We end in a semicolon, and we separate them with a colon. Once we have declared and assigned the variable, we can also use them to make an operation like A plus B. As you see in the HTML is getting us the result 11. Of course, we can assign values on the same line using the same semicolon that we used before. Here we use the document getElement by ID to insert the result inside of that demo1 element. That is right below the phrase about commas separate the JavaScript comments that you can see here. Also, some other elements I want to give you is that JavaScript ignores multiple spaces. You can add white space to your script to make it more readable. For better readability, also, programmers often prefer to avoid code lines that are longer than 80 characters. We have seen operators like that, we have seen commas, and those are both a good point to break a line. Usually it's good to place the break after an operator. Here we can see another example of another function. As you see, I point your attention on the semicolon, so every single statement inside of that function, my function, is working and show hello and how are you. That's all pretty self-explanatory. Remember that that's a way to comment inside of a script and also in a JavaScript file, and that's the way to comment inside an HTML file. Try to keep lines under 80 character. How do you know? For example, you can select the line and you're going to get the quantity of space that you have, and you can also click on the beginning of the phrase, the word, and then get to show that we need to expand a little bit that window. Okay, and when you select here, you see the counter that gave us the number of lines, 42, the number of column, and how many are selected. So basically we have 18 character. Let's check it out. You see, you can select 47 of them, so it's just long enough. That is longer, that's 68 select the character. Of course the column consider also that space that are here, that's why you see a different number. That's a very useful function to understand how you are writing a readable code. And also you can right click and make format document that is going to align things. For example, if things are misaligned, like I can do it on purpose, then I go back and I make format document. Visual Studio Code is going to put everything on the right place. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention, make exercise, and see you in the next video. Bye.